People Wagwan, man, you're tuning into Click React, and today we're gonna be doing a video, and it's guessing the logo. This is for food and drinks. I think I'll get a high score just because, like, I think I remember things a lot. I don't really eat junk food or fast food like that, so I think my knowledge is gonna get tested today. But we'll see how I do. You can follow along and let me know how you guys did in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification, and drop a like. We're just gonna get right into it, guys. I'll see you later. Let's Pringles. I don't even eat Pringles. But this one is easy. We all know this guy. Yes, sir. Alright, what's up? What's up? Sprite. I feel like if they didn't put that yellow dot with it, I think that would be a little harder. Okay. Are they gonna make it hard? It's 30, so let's see how much I get right. Pizza Hut. This is on React. Do I eat Pizza Hut? No. My go-to pizza is Domino's. Okay. KFC, man. KFC. If you guys don't know KFC in Jamaica, best thing ever. Your boy does the thing, man. Domino's. Of course I know Domino's. I do go to Domino's a lot. Well, not a lot, but I'll be there. Okay. Coca-Cola. Don't really drink soda. I'm more of a juice guy, but I think, what is it? Coke or Pepsi for you guys? I would say Pepsi for me personally. And these are too easy. Subway. The healthy version of foods, you know. What do the arrows mean in this? Oh, there's an S there too. I just took that in. Crazy. Costco. Bro, I almost said TJ Maxx, but I was like wholesale. Yes, sir. Alright, Taco Bell, man. Come on, man. Taco Bell had the most fire apple pies back in the day. I think they stopped making it though. But yo, them shits was different. Oreos? Fuck. If it's not Oreos, I definitely won't know what this shit is. Yes. Or I was like, yo, Pepsi. Pepsi's the most recognizable thing, I think. Actually, a lot of things have these colors, right? It's 11 for 11, man. Go in it. Tennessee. Bro, what did I just say? Ben and Jerry's? Oh my god. Okay, I got one wrong. McDonald's. What the hell is Ben and Jerry's? That must be like an American place. We don't have that in Canada. If you guys don't know, McDonald's was stolen from the actual owner. Doritos. Yeah, McDonald's was actually stolen. There's actually a show, like a documentary type thing, but the man basically stole it. Doritos. I feel like this Doritos is like a little different, like more modern. Dunkin' Donuts. I think this is ugly, me personally, but it works. It's about what works. Fuck, I don't know what this is. Tim Hortons. I don't remember the Heinz symbol looking like that. Too wrong. I definitely don't know what this is. I was about to say Chuck E. Cheese's, but I don't know what the fuck this is. So I'm guessing 3 wrong. Build-A-Beer. What the fuck is Haribo? 3 wrong, okay. Avalanche? Fuck, no it's not. Avocado. Cafe rock. Hard. Yes, I said it. I got that right. Cafe rock. Hard cafe. Whatever. Hard rock cafe. Starbucks. I'm gonna give myself that one. So still 3 wrong. I should know this. Kraft Dinner? Kraft. Yeah, this track goes hard, low-key. Chuck Chucks, Yuck Yucks, Cluck Clucks, I don't know. I love chicken. Like, what the Nando's. Okay, yeah, that's an American, so I'm 4 wrong. Heineken. No. Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme. Wait, I'm 4 wrong, right? Yeah, 4 wrong. Gatorade. Lightwork. The lightest of Lightworks. Is it in you? Let's go, man. Am I 4 or 5? I think I'm 4. Kellogg's. I think from here I'm not getting anything wrong. I feel like it's getting easier. The things that I've gotten wrong are things that are not really in Canada, I would say. Burger King. Because we don't have Nando's. I don't really know what Nando's is, to be honest. Not popular. This Burger King symbol even looks weird. Sour Patch Kids. Sour Patch. Right, this is what, an A- so far? I know what this is. Baskin Robbins. I was low-key gonna get that wrong just now, because I did not pick up on it right away. Yes, sir. 28. Nesquik. Nestle. Am I right or am I right? Mm-hmm. I know what this is, you know. I literally know what this is, but I don't remember the name. Iced tea. Oh man. Fanta. 5 wrong. Gotta get this last one. Air Miles. Oh, Hallmark. Damn it, bro. I got 6 wrong. What is that? I don't know what that is, but guys, I got 6 wrong, so 24 out of 30. That's not bad. Let me know what you guys got, man. Don't forget to drop a like, and I'll see you guys later.